Today, Nick and Tristan help his old Cub Scout Pack 767 with their annual Pinewood Derby race. Check out the cool trophies these kids are battling for. Each kid gets a small block of wood to turn into a race car with a small amount of help from their parents.
Wow.
Yeah, my dad built her. 900 horses of Detroit muscle. It's a beast.
Scout salute. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Max in 2, Sam in 3.
3, 2, 1, go!
June and 1, yeah. Nice.
I live my life a quarter mile at a time. Nothing else matters, not the mortgage, not the store, not my team and all their problems. For those 10 seconds or less, I'm free.